This is the plight of millions of people in rural India. Our villages should improve. It is important for people, especially women and children, to lead a healthy life in a pollution-free environment. We should gift our children a pollution-free environment to nurture them fully. Forests are most important in our eco-structure. We should avoid deforestation for the purpose of firewood. Rural youth should involve themselves fully in all the community-related activities, apart from taking care of their families. Is it possible? There is only one solution that will help you solve the problems: Navagni. Smoke emitted from traditional stoves in use is extremely dangerous. Women and children are exposed to this unhealthy smoke always. The resulting respiratory disorders can be fatal. Now please listen to Dr. Vanita's comments on the effects of poisonous smoke exposure. The smoke being emitted from our stoves contains many deadly pollutants. Women and children who are consistently exposed to this kind of smoke develop chronic respiratory diseases. Using improvised stoves that emit less smoke will drastically reduce the exposure to toxic gases, thus improving the quality of life. This will help the environment as well. Women spend most of their time in cooking using inefficient stoves and men collecting plenty of wood. Both of them fail to contribute their time and labor to village welfare activities. Navagni solves these problems directly or indirectly. Let me show you how. Navagni is an improved biomass fuel stove, a successful Q-Pre venture. This is very easy to use. Place the grate inside the stove like this. Fill the chamber with suitably sized pieces of wood or any other biomass. Soak 3 to 4 pieces of wood in kerosene and place on top of the wood in the stove. Now light the fire. Ensure that the fire evenly spreads across. Place the pot holder, cooking vessel on the top. You are now ready to cook. The speciality in this stove is that you can control the flame. Use the flame control knob like this. To extend the burn time, please fill the dry chamber with wood pieces before you start the fire. By the time the stove has burned for 40 to 45 minutes, this load will be heated properly. Add one wood piece at a time to the burning chamber. To take out ash deposits regularly, you can use this opening at the bottom. In situations where you want to stop cooking and turn off the flame, you can turn the flame control knob to close position. Remove the pot holder and place the stop lid at the top like this. As you just saw, using Navagni stove is very easy. Navagni creates a safer environment than the traditional cooking stove. It's because smoke is nearly 60% less. Pollution in kitchen is 60% less. Poisonous gas exposure is 90% less. Produces less ash. You can earn money by selling the high-grade coal generated while cooking. These are not the only benefits in opting to use Navagni. You need not depend on LPG cylinders. Minimal kerosene is required to operate. Electricity and batteries are not required. You can carry the stove anywhere as it is light. In winters, you can use Navagni as a room heater for a limited time in a ventilated room. Cupre's mission is to improve the quality of life of all the rural people who really deserve it. Navagni is priced to suit the budgets of our villages. Cupre offers limited warranty for Navagni. Please come and see how Navagni has made a difference in this family.
ಪುಣ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಎಂಬ ಗೋವು ತನ್ನ ಕಂದನ ನೆನೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಮುನ್ನ ಹಾಲನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನೆನುತ ಚಂದ ಶಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ.
Navagni has changed our lives for good. Navagni has created a healthy and happy environment in our home. I recommend you to get in touch with your nearest self-help group, Panchayat office or social service organization to get your Navagni. Buy Navagni biomass fuel stove today and you buy a new way of life. This is good for your family's health and your children's future. You can save money by not depending on LPG, kerosene, etc. You're also contributing to the well-being of our planet. If you want to get the information booklet of Navagni and a CD copy of this film free of cost, please write to this address.